do it. Welcome to Bird Hunters Part 2.
Yep.
We're still down here. What are we doing?
We bird hunting.
In the where?
Bird hunting.
Where
in
at?
the basement.
In the basement. Now it's a whole new realm for hunting birds in your basement. So there's no rules here. So we're on the fly, right?
Yeah.
We're doing it as we go, trying to figure it out. We've already caught one successfully and didn't kill it and let it go. But this second one is being very elusive.
Yeah.
You know what elusive means? Tricky. You know what tricky means?
Yes.
Sneaky. So what we're doing is, once again, playing rap music really loud to try to get it to fly around.
It has a bass with it, so that's a good song.
Yeah. So here we go.
Is that good bass?
As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know my eyes have been talking about the way I do what I do. Heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. And now it's me. I've been waiting. It goes a lifetime. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Oh. I've been love you all the way down. Get you back where you like it. I promise you like it. Relax and let me make our moves. Secret we'll keep between me. Oh yeah. Think I wanna make that move.
Hey, now we're not here to dance. We're here to look for birds.
I know.
Okay. See anything?
No.
Oh, neither. Let's dance. Wait. We got to stick to the program. Okay, we didn't find nothing this round. We're going to do it again in a little while. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Maya.
Bye.
You didn't do
Maya.
it? Ah, you did it. Okay,
Bye, Maya.
maybe next time.
Bye, Maya.